Alright, I'm going to install the running boards on the Grand Highlander Hybrid Max Platinum, part number PT93848240. The tools I need is a torque wrench, 10 to 15 Newton meters, or about 22.1 foot-pounds of torque. And we have a 12 millimeter, 10 millimeter, a 6-inch extension. We have a pair of scissors, some clip removers, and then I'm gonna install this into the bolt threads. You probably don't need to, but I have it around, so might as well. So here's the front wheel. And we have 3 bolts that we gotta loosen. It has clips in it. 1, 2, and 3. Alright, slide this cover out from each of the 3 clips. Okay, 1, 2, and 3. We're gonna have to cut it, I think. We gotta cut this section out because the mount holes are here and back here, and I believe there's another set back there, so you cut this part out as well. You can kind of see an outline. Yeah, you can see a little bit of an outline here. Alright, cut this piece out. I removed these. I'm going to install 1, 2, and 3 bolts back. I remove these plugs from these 3 and remove those 2 plugs over there. Newton meters, 22.1-ish foot-pounds of torque. Alright, there's a sequence to tighten these bolts. This is the rear inside. There's 8 bolts. That's the first one. Here's the middle 3. And here's the front 3. You gotta tighten one in the rear, one in the front, one in the middle, and then there's a sequence that I'll post up along with this. So this is the right side. I am done installing it.